Now that we have our Google Drive organized and we have all of our documents into folders, we can now change the color of our folders. It is so simple, but it makes my heart happy, and I'm sure once you start doing it, you'll be very happy with it too. So in order to do it, it's very simple. As I said, you highlight the folder, right click, and you'll hit change color. And unfortunately, these are all the color options that there is for changing your color of the folder, but there are some pretty ones. So I'm going to go ahead and just change it to a pastel color, and I can do it for all of the folders. So once again, I'll show you how to do it with the next one. So right click, hit change color, and then you can change it to any color that you like. And then I'm going to go ahead and do the last two. The last two are now done. So as you can see, I like the pastel colors. You can do any color order, any color palette, or however you want to do the colors, your choice. I know a lot of people do the colors of the rainbow. So the first one would be red, then orange, then yellow, etc. So you can choose however you want to do the colors and do it the way that makes you happy. The second thing that I would like to show you is how to apply a theme to your Google Drive or your Google account. So you will need to go to the Google Chrome web store, and you can type this into Google search and it'll be the first thing that pops up. Automatically it's going to bring you to this page, and it's going to have extensions already highlighted. So the first thing you want to do is change it to themes, and then as you can see, a whole bunch of different themes show up, and they have so many to choose from, and there's not one that I've seen that I don't like. They are all so cute. There's some that are created specifically for teachers. There are some that are very tropical themed, or some that have pastel colors or rainbow colors. So there's a lot to choose from. I'm going to search for a specific style. So the style I'm going to search for is rainbows. And as you can see, this is what pops up first, but you should be looking for the themes. So you can check over here and highlight the themes again, and then it'll filter out all of the extensions. So now you can only see the themes, and you scroll down until you find a one that you like, and I will show you what to do from there. Now that you have found the one you like, I clicked on the one that I found, which was this one, Rainbow Waves by Hey Ashley G, who she's a teacher that created this. So I use a lot of her resources, but in order to add it to your Google Chrome, all you need to do is hit Add to Chrome, and then it might take a few minutes for your Google Chrome to update and link into that theme. So just be patient when you download it, but once you do it, you'll love it. As you can see, I went to the Google homepage to make sure that it was fully downloaded, and it was. I have the rainbow theme on my computer, and I just absolutely love having the opportunity to have a specific theme. There are also themes that have a specific quote on the homepage, so if you like to see "be happy," then you can get that on your theme as well. It just all depends on the theme that you choose, but as you can see, there was a whole bunch to choose from, and you can choose any one that you would like. So I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, just feel free to reach out.